Good morning, dear students. I am Priyanshi Bhaskar, and today we discuss about the unit second in child health nursing. Okay, so unit second is the healthy child, in which we discuss about the growth and development. So first is growth. Growth is defined as the quantitative increase in size of the body or its part, resulting from cell multiplication and increase in intracellular substances. It is an objective process that can be measured in units like inches, centimeters, pounds, and kilograms. Okay, then next, development. Development refers to the process of functional maturation where a child gains new skills and abilities in areas like motor, cognitive, language, and social and emotional development. This process is continuous, each child having their own unique pace. Okay, it means the growth and development are different. Growth is defined as the quantitative increases and development is a qualitative measures. Okay, then next is principle of growth and development. So what is the principle of growth? First is continuous and gradual process. From conception to that, it's a steady ongoing change through uneven. Okay, second is orderly and sequential, develop in predictable patterns, example walking before running. Then head to toe, it's called cephalocaudal. Control and growth starts at the head and move downwards. Head control before leg control. And fourth is center outward, it's called proximo-distal. Develops from the trunk outwards to the extremities. Arm control before fingers control. Then fifth is general to specific. Skills progress from broad movements to fine, precious actions like grasping before writing. And sixth is varying rates. Each child follow the pattern but their own pace. Example, ranges exist for stages, not fixed points. Okay. Then next is factor affecting growth and development. It's first genetic factors. Various factors are affecting the growth and development, in which the first most commonly genetic factors and second is the environmental factors. First genetic factor, it is hereditary and sex. First is hereditary. Traits like height, eye colors, potential intelligence and predisposition to certain conditions are inherited from parents. It also affect the growth and development of the children. Then second is sex. Yes, gender influences physical development patterns. Okay, sex, gender is also influence the physical development pattern. Okay, then second is environmental factors, in which includes first nutrition, essential nutrients from diet, maternal and child for build up tissue, brain development and overall health. Malnutrition cause delay. Second is health and hormones. Proper sleep, growth hormone release, absence of chronic illness, adequate exercise and hormonal balance are vital. Then next is prenatal factors. Maternal health, nutrition, stress, infections and substance use directly impact fetal growth. Next is physical environment. Safe housing, climate, pollution, example air quality affects neurodevelopmental effect. Okay. Then psychosocial environment, love, emotional comfort, secure attachments, cognitive stimulation and toys enhance development. Next is socioeconomic status, affects access to nutrition, healthcare, education and safe environment. Okay, so we discussed the factors of growth and development, in which two most common factors are genetic factors and environmental factors, in which genetic factors included hereditary and gender, and nutrition factor included nutrition, health and hormone, prenatal factors, physical environment, psychosocial environment and socioeconomic status. Now we discuss the stages of growth. There are several stages of growth. Firstly, we start the embryo. It means implantation to 8 weeks of gestation. Okay. Then second is fetus. Fetus is also called 9th week of gestation to birth. It means 9th weeks are completed for the gestation to birth. Then next is newborn. Newborn is called birth to 28 days of life. Then newborn is also called neonates. Then infant is birth to 1 year of age. then toddlers 1 to 3 year of age, then preschool 3 to 5 year of age, then school age 6 to 12 year of age, then adolescence 13 to 18 year of age. Okay, there are following the stages of growth in children, different stages in which we know the different names. Then the next is BFHI, Baby Friendly Hospital Initiative. Okay, BFHI or the Baby Friendly Hospital Initiative is a WHO and UNICEF global program to help maternity, facilitate support and promote breastfeeding by implementing the 10 steps to successfully breastfeeding, focusing on skin to skin contact, education and mother baby bonding, ensuring newborns get the best start through optimal feeding practice like colostrum intake and exclusive breastfeeding for first 6 months. In child health nursing, this means nurse actively educate, counsel and provide hands-on support for mothers to initiate and maintain breastfeeding, making it the norm in healthcare setting. Okay. There are 10 steps to successfully breastfeeding, in which first is critical management procedure. In this include first a completely fully with the International Code of Marketing of Breast Milk Substitutes and relevant World Health Assembly resolutions. And first B is have a written infant feeding policy that is routinely communicated to staff and parents. And first C is establish ongoing monitoring and data management systems. Okay. Then second step is ensure that staff have sufficient knowledge, competence and skills to support breastfeeding. Then key clinical practices, and which third is discuss the importance and management of breastfeeding with pregnant women and their families. Then fourth is facilitate immediate and uninterrupted skin to skin contact and support mothers to initiate breastfeeding as soon as possible after birth. Then fifth is support mothers to initiate and maintain breastfeeding and manage common difficulties. And sixth is do not provide breastfeed newborns any food or fruits other than breast milk unless medically indicated. The next is enable mothers and their infants to remain together and to practice rooming in 24 hours a day. Support mothers to recognize and respond to their infants' cues for feeding. And ninth is counsel mothers on the use and risk of feeding bottles, treats and pacifries. Then 10th is coordinate discharge so that parents and their infants have timely access to ongoing support and care. Okay. So today we discuss about the child health nursing unit second. It is the healthy child, in which we discuss the growth and development, what is growth, what is development and what are the principles of growth and development, the factor affecting growth and development. Then stages of growth, different stages are of growth. Okay, it is embryo, fetus, newborn, infant, toddler, preschooler, school age and adolescence. Then we discuss about the baby friendly hospital, it's also called BFHI. Okay, in which include the 10 steps to successful breastfeeding. Then we discuss about the successful 10 steps of BFHI. Okay, thank you.